you never know what what you gonna do if you have this kind of infection. It's so, I don't know, it's so infected. It's my first tattoo. You know, you don't have money and you're a friend. Just telling, you know, um, just drinking something, and he has his own tattoo machine, and he has some spare, and then we are drinking alcohol that day, and he said that you're gonna tattoo me, and the thing is that I agree. He's not a true tattoo artist, guys. So this is what the this is what's the um happened. The black one is okay, but the red one is swollen. Look at that. It's so itchy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't have money to for a derma or maybe a doctor, skin doctor for a checkup. And I don't know what to take for this. I don't know, just some maybe lotion or ointment. I don't have an ointment. I'm going outside, guys, and everyone sees my tattoo. You know, I'm so shy. It's like I'm so shy to show this to my friends. It's a little embarrassed about this tattoo. I don't know. The thing is, I don't know that this will be. This is his. This is his. Um, you know, it's not that good. No, just I trust her, and I paid a little money, but it's not that, $2. I mean, I think uh six $6, $6 I think. It's 300 pesos. Almost it's almost 500 because I buy some alcohol that day and I gave him 300 pesos. And this is what I get. An infected tattoo. And guys, it's been, I think it's 1 year now, but still it's not fine, it's not okay now. It's so